Right, so we've got the LCD screen working. Yeah. We've got our way of testing it working. You know, here. We've got our way of testing it working. So we can, you know, we could change the clock. Yeah, let's go to Tetris. There you go. And then we'll go to Pong when it's finished. There you go. And when it's done Pong, we'll go back to analog. And we can also fire up the that's not good. Fire up the slots machine. See if anybody wins. Look at that, 143. Get in there, get in there, Gary. Oh, hang on, it's going up. Oh, that's 140, isn't it? I can't see. Neither can you guys. That's not quite high enough. There we go. And then it adds it to his points, look. He's doing well, isn't he? He's doing well. Look at that, top of the list. We can't have that. There we go. That's better. That's better. That's back to how it was. I think that's how it was. I think that's how it was. Did I grab the update? No, mate. No. Hang on. Let me I've just seen your message. What, 12 minutes? No, I just put that on just to get ready. Where is the repo? Is it a Raspberry Pi? Where's the repo? Oh, found it. Found it. If I overwrite mine, that's not going to trash it, is it? Right, that's overwritten that. Right, just spare me a second. Right then. It's working with my code. Rightio. Right then, so I've just done the update. So, what have you done then? You said... Is new points now including the bet? Is new points now including the bet? Right. Right, so we're going to try and implement this into the bot. Right? So we're going to fire up the generic bot and we're going to try and see if we can implement it in that. So there's the generic bot. And my bot chat window is still ignoring the Streamlabs code. Yes. See, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Right. So what we need to do is basically this. Remember when we had to do slash and my clock with the different modes, and then the other one will be my slots, I think it was, wasn't it? My slots. So now we need to be able to embed that into the bot, all right? We need to be able to embed that into the bot so it can talk to the LED panel. So we're going to use the generic bot, and we need to install another component. Now, I think it's already been installed. It is. It's there. Yeah, it's there. He's mooching about, he is. So so you need to do this. You need to do this pip install, right? Because we're going to be using the request library, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new command to basically do the clock changing, yeah? So let's add a new command. So we're going to add a new command called process clock. So let's go down the bottom and let's add this into here. Right, so yes, we'll nick this. We'll nick this. Zoom in a little. You've got to be joking. You've got to be joking. This is big enough. Hang on. Am I at 100%? Hang on. Oh, where's the spyglass? Alright, I'll put it to 24, but that's as high as I'm going to go. There you go. That's as high as I'm going to go. Alright. You can read it now, okay. Get some glasses. Right, so we're going to do a process clock. Now, if you want to install a cooldown, then that's fine, but we're not going to do it. We're not going to install a cooldown, and we'll allow everybody to do it. We'll allow everybody to do it, so we can get rid of that. Right, so clock name. So we need a parameter called clock name, alright? Now we don't need that, and we don't need that. We don't need that, and we don't need that. Now I'm sorry, I'm only joking, mate. I'm only joking. Right. So clock name. So we don't need to do this. We don't need to do that bit because that was for users. In fact, we don't need to do that then. Right. So we're getting the clock name from parameter 0. In fact, hang on a sec, hang on. Let's put this back in. I've just had an idea. Let's put that back in. Right, clock name goes in there. We'll get rid of this lot because we don't need it. But we're going to leave that there because I want to do this, right? Right. I want to do this, right? So clocks. So 1, 2, 3. So we've got analog, Pong, Tetris. So we've got an array of clocks, yeah? And we, right. Let's not do, no, let's do that. Undo. Let's do this properly. Analog, Ong, Eris, Tetris. There we go. So what we're gonna do is we are going to, if they just put exclamation mark clock, we're going to display the clocks that are available, yeah? And we're going to just nick this code that we've got here. All right, we're just going to nick this and do that. Right, so we're going to nick that and I'm going to put that there. Clock names. Clock name in clocks. Right, and then that available clocks. So that, and we don't do the return because what we're going to do is we're going to do this. We're going to do that. Right, so basically, if you just put exclamation mark clocks, we will get a list of clocks back. Yeah. And so now we've tested that. I mean, we can test this working anyway. Let's try it out. Now, I've got my bot running as well, so we might get a little bit of complaining going on. But we will try our best. Right. Well, we don't need that. So let's do it. Clock. Available clocks. Analog, Pong, and Tetris. Yes. There we go. That's what we want to see. Now, we just need to send it to the LED. So this is where we have to do a bit of jiggery pokery. And I'm going to remind myself what I did before I make a complete and utter fool of myself. Just to be absolutely certain. I've just stopped it, so sorry. Sorry. Right. Well, we'll do it in a minute. Do it in a minute because I'm just making sure I'm going to be doing the right thing here. That's where I want to go. There we go. Right. So, what we need to do is we need to tell it where the LED is. Yeah. So in the config, right, we're going to create a new item. We're going to create a new item. So we're going to stick it there. Yeah, we'll stick it there. And we're going to call this panel server. And for us, for me here, it's 192.168.1.208. Right? So that's our panel server. That's what we're going to do. Right, so let me do that. And in the example config, I'm just going to stick it in there as well. Like so. So now we've got our panel specified. Yeah, we got our panel specified. So we can now use that to our advantage. So the first thing we've got to do, we're going to be using the request system, right? And the request system always returns something. So X. Whatever, yeah? So request. So we're going to create a request, but we want to create a get. You remember when you put a URL in a browser, you are creating a get request, right? And so we want the config dot panel server, and then we're going to need to give it what we called it. So we called it my clock, I think. Yeah, my clock. So that's what we're going to do. My clock. All right. So, and then we need to put in the message that we want. So clock mode equals, right? So clock mode equals. Now, yes, the package's request. Now I should have. Did I? I didn't even put it in, did I? There we go. I didn't put it in. Right. Now we've got to convert what we've typed in into what? What's the matter? You've had your dinner, mate. You've had your dinner. I'm missing the plurals. Yes, I am. Sorry, I misread. What? You've just been out, mate. You're not going out again.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Oh, thank you for following. Thank you. What? Alright. This is a daddy special, alright? No. I'll give you one of these. And shut you up for a bit. Yeah? These are expensive, so you better not chomp this down too quick. There you go. Grab it then. Off you go, in your bed. In your bed. Hey, Pro. Raxed, thank you for joining and following, mate. Thank you. Right. So we need to convert. We need to convert the clock name. We need to make sure that the clock exists in this array. Now, I've forgotten how to do that. I've forgotten how to do that. We should be able to get the index. There we go, that's the one. That's the one. That's the one. So let's try it, yeah? Let's try it. So let me grab that. All I can hear now is him gumming that thing to death. Oh dear. There's a lot of strange noises coming from down there. Right. So, let's try something that doesn't exist. Right, let's see. That should come back. Right, so okay. So we need to put a try catch around it, yeah? But if I do that, and now log, that should be 0. Yes, nice, 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 nice. So that's what we need to do, but we need to put a try catch around it, yeah? So, try and accept like so. Right, let's get rid of that now. So, if this errors, we're just going to go through, and in fact, I'm going to actually say, we'll do this. Channel. That clock does not exist. There we go. So, what we need here is clocks dot index and then the clock name. Mate, you're not having any more? Not yet. You're not having any more? And then we add the clock ID on the edge of that. Oh, you've been telling where to get them from? Yeah. Alright, so we've now got our Oh, I've lost where I am. Oh, I'm lost now. Lost where I am. That's your fault. Here we go. I just want to make sure that I've got everything right. Yeah. Right. We also need. Oh, we also need another. Right. Right. The reason this try catch is around is if your panel is not switched on, yeah, it will error, and we don't want it to crash the bot. So what I've done is I've gone and said, doesn't matter if you error or not, we're just going to continue anyway, yeah? The only difference is if the panel's not on, it won't error, yeah? So, let's try this out, shall we? Let's try this out. Whoops. Right then, let's just check that it's working. So, clock. So there's our available clocks. No. 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 Right, so we're on analog now, so let's try and see if we can change it to Pong. Here we go. Now, why did that not do it? Why did that not do it? Maybe. Aston, stop it. Right, I'll grab the clock ID. Aston, stop it, mate. In your bed. Get in your bed. Get in your bed. Right. Let's see if it's picking it out. Yes, it is. Right, so we're definitely picking it out. So, we are having an issue sending it there. Right, let's do that then. So yeah, this is what we're trying to change here. This is what we're trying to change. Hello, my hand. So I'm just trying to find out why it's not doing it. So clock, Pong. Oh, well, it says it's missing a state. Okay, what have I done? Done something stupid there. Oh, Twitch wasn't active. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't think it's on. Yeah, it's on. Right. Clock. Pong. Ooh. Oh, here we go. Right, let's do this then. Right. Let's start it up. Yep. Clock. There's the clocks. Right. Clock. Pong. Hey! There we go. There we go. Right. Who's going to change it? So we've got Pong, Analog, and Tetris. So who's going to change it? There you go. There's the Tetris clock. And then we can go back to analog. There you go, back to analog. And that's as simple as it is. So, next thing is to sort out the slots. I've got a panel there. I got a panel up there, but for some reason the camera's interfering with it. I've turned it off, but I can turn it back on. But it's interfering with it. I don't know what's going on. So I've turned it off because it was doing me head in. Right. Now the slots. Right. Let's see how many channel points there are. So I've got minus. No, I'm having plus. Oh my god, Gary, how many you got? Right. So let's do the slots now. So the slots is you type in slots and then really Hang on, guys. Let me take him out because he's doing me head in. Come on. Right then. So we're going to do slots and then the bet. Yeah? So the whole point is they get their bet back plus points. But if they lose, they get nothing back. That's an interesting thing. Gary, did you check for when they lose? Do you still return back the bet? I'll have to look in the code. Oh, it don't. Okay, so I don't have to check for it. Right then. So let's start working on the slots. So I'll just grab that. So process slots. So we don't need that. We do need to check that there is that they've put a bet there. If they haven't put a bet there, in fact, I've got a code that does very similar thing. So we could just nick that. Yeah, let's just nick that. We're going to nick that because that's essentially it. That's essentially it. Right. So we are saying that anybody can run it. So we don't need that. Right, so points is equal to the first argument. If the points is less than or equal to 0, then yes. Can't do that. No, can't do that. So we now know the point. So we don't need that. And we don't need that. Oh, no, let's leave that in. Because we need to check if the person's got enough points for the bet. Yeah? So let's go into the points system. Oh, I can't see it. My brain's fried. My brain's fried. Where is it? Did I not make? I thought I made a points subclass. Yeah, I did. Points. Hang on. Chat points. Ah, no wonder I couldn't see it. Chat points. Chat points. There we go. There we go. Right. What we need to do is that will do it. That will do it. Right. So we can use that. TwitchBot. So if self.points.mypoints and it's the username, so message.user is greater than, oh hang on, is greater than points. So that means we have got more points than we're betting. Then we can do it. Then we can do it. If not, then we're going to say Oh, and John can't spell. You have not enough points. And in fact, we'll use the proper parameter as well. So, @user has not enough points. We'll just put that in there. If it's greater than, okay, else we haven't got enough points. Right. There we go. All right then. I thought it's not my fault. I'm dyslexic. It tells you to try again. I don't care about my spelling. I know I'm dyslexic. Right. That's right, because that'll be there. So here is where we're going to initiate the slot, right? So like before, we're going to do a try, and then let's do that, and then accept, and do that, and we're going to do the same sort of thing as we've done here. Yeah. So we'll do that. In fact, we might not need to have the nested. We'll do it without the nested first. Right, so we need to work out, we need to remember what we said we was going to use. So let's go back to the code, which is here. Web service, web server, there we go. So it's my slots. And then we need to, I've got it somewhere here. My slots. Did I? No, I didn't do it, did I? I didn't actually put it in the URL. Okay, never mind. Right then. So, my slots. First argument is username. So, username, and that's going to be message.user. Then ampersand, don't. No, mate, stop it. Before you even get started, no. User points. Equals. Now that is points. No, that's the bet, isn't it? Bet. Let's. Right, so here. Right, we'll do this. We'll do this because we'll need it. Points equals that. And then we'll use points there. If the bet, no, if the points are greater than the bet. There we go. Then we can use that. So points is points. And the last one is user bet. So ampersand user bet equals bet. Right. That should fire, and we'll put past there because we don't want it to do anything. So that should call. That should call the thing. Right. Now I'm going to stop my bot, right, because I don't want it adding points to my bot. So I'm going to stop the bot. There we go. That means the chat is going to stop. So I'll put the old chat box back on. There we go. There's the old chat box. Oh, where's the chat box? Not showing. Oh, there it is. There it is. My let's just, my things are in there. Let's do that. There we go. Just so you can see, because I've turned my bot off now. Right, so we should be able to fire this up with slots. So let's give it a try, shall we? Right. Right then. Well, that didn't work, did it? And guess what? I've turned the bot off so you can't use the plank. Right. Here we go. Right. It would help me. It would have helped putting the command in to start with. Right then. Right. Here we go. Right. Let's see. Anybody want to give it a try? You've got 12 points. If you don't have any points, it won't do it. Well, that'll be a test. Right, it's saying it's missing some arguments. It's saying it's missing some arguments, so let's have a look. That may be the argument that's missing. Is it calling the stream? Right, okay. Okay, so what should we call it then? What should we call the command then if it's clashing with Streamlabs? What should we call it? Fruit, okay. We'll call it fruit. Right then, try it. I think you lost. You want to give it another go? Right, now we are missing something. We are missing something. So I've just been looking. We're not deducting the bet, yeah, from your points. So that's what we're missing. Right, so once we've acquired the bet, and everything's fine, we'll deduct the points, yeah? So self.points subtract points from message.user, bet. Right, so that's going to subtract the points because we've already know that we've got enough points to cover the bet, so we'll subtract the points because that's what I was looking for. I was looking for the points to go down. Right, OSK points. Right then, let's see. Do we lose some points now? Go on, Gary. There we go. The points have gone down. It looks like you've won something. See, it's only added the 12. It's not added the 50. It's only added the 12. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I told it to. I downloaded the code and I updated it. I'll do it again. Oh! You know what I forgot? You know what I forgot? I forgot to send it to it. I haven't compiled it. I copied the code, but I didn't compile it. Why is this moving out of the way? Let's do this. That's what you. That's what. Yeah, you upload. Yeah. 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 Aston, go. No. Stop it. $8 and me sitting here doesn't mean you're going to get fed full of treats. Alright? Can you hear him? He's there, look. Look, he's there. He's just moaning at me at the door. Yep, he knows I'm talking about him. No, mate. No. No. You've been outside, you've had your dinner, you're not having anything else. Doesn't matter how close you get, it's not going to happen. Oh, it's taken ages to compile. Oh, there's also the other problem as well. Oh well, never mind. We need to not use that, but use that. I don't know what was wrong with the internet, mate. I dropped something like 3,000 frames and then it just dropped off. I think it could have been Twitch myself. So I don't know. Oh, waiting for it to compile. Come on. Just for me to compile it again. No, mate. You're not having anything unless somebody buys you one. I'm not getting you any. You've had loads today, absolute truckloads. I'm surprised you're not round yet. Yeah, I would hope. I would hope it'd be quick. He's slowly creeping up. he's going to be on my lap soon. Oh, dear. I'm not giving it you. You're going to find it. There you go. It's in your bed. Go hunt. You can smell it out. Alright, mate. I'll give him another one once he's found that one. Yeah. I've chucked it so he's got to go hunting for it. He can smell it. Right. So, let's recompile it again because we are using the wrong ad. It is add point, isn't it? Let's just make sure that. Yeah, add points. There we go. You found it yet? You found it yet? Yeah, your nose is telling you where it is. It's not my fault you're blind. Are we ready to go? Right. Ready to go. Not yet, mate. The bot ain't on. Right. Let's get the web sockets up. And then the bot. Oh, and look at that. Twitch is misbehaving. Look. Here we go. Come on. There we go. Now we're on. Hit me with your rhythm stick. Right, that's took 50 off. Did you send that out? Right, 71,905, and you've just got what, 30? 20. Hang on, we need to add the mod, don't we? Right, let's just check that that bug that we had is not in this one. Right, hang on mate, hang on. Moderators, moderators, moderators. Oh, where's the Jason? Moderators. There we go. Right. Hang on. Right. So, old school coder bots, now a moderator. Do you want to hit it again? Do you want to hit it again? Right. So, we're now at 855. Stop it, you. Have we won out? Is that the panel saying, sorry GaryMeg, please play again? 815? Oh dear, you're losing points hands over fist here. Oh, 10 points. 765. So that should be... Yes. That's added it back on. There you go. Right, we need a cooldown. Right, we need a cooldown because if somebody does fruit directly after another one, it's going to cause issues. So we need to put a cooldown in. Right, so let's go into the config and we'll put a cooldown in. So 15 seconds. So we'll put a cooldown in there. And then we will add the cooldown to the command. So we'll borrow this. And we'll put it here. Like so. And then we want the back end of the cooldown, which is this. Right, cooldown time has not elapsed. So this is the slots cooldown. And we want the slots here. It's not... It's not showing the well done now, play again. This is from Uncle Gary, alright? This is from Uncle Gary. I'm not going to be feeding you all the time, mate. You're going to end up... Yeah, that should keep you busy for a while. There you go. You ain't got teeth, so you'll numb that to death. No, that won't work, mate. That won't work. Multi-clock line 190. Multi-clock? Well, that's where it does the add points. Is that what you're talking about? Dude, that's a really annoying noise. Unless you've not published it right. Well, where's the... Can we find? Ah, find. So what we're looking for, play again. Well, that's not going to work, is it? Fine, here we go. Are you sure? Let's look for that. All right, okay. I haven't got that, mate. I haven't got that. Right, let me look in that zip file, that the latest download from your master, yeah? Yeah, it's there. Let me do it again. There we go. Got it. It doesn't do what Visual Studio does. That's automatically update the files. Right. Let's get this compiled and put on the board. Don't forget to change the bot line. What bot line? We're not using the OSK bot. There, yeah? So we should be alright. Yeah, you've probably changed it to work with the bot you've got, yeah? Yeah. Well, we're getting there. We're getting there. Right, let's upload it. In your bed. In your bed. This is not going to compile because it's doing that download package thing, isn't it? Ooh, sun's in my eyes. Oh, no more free energy. If that sun's that low, what am I getting? What am I getting? Sun's that low. Not a lot. Oh, I've got a right circle in my eyes now. Oh, come on. Right. So that should be... Oh, we need to get rid of that. That's it. Because even the admins shouldn't be able to spam the panel, or it'll cause problems. But that should be it. So we need that. Now putting in the example one. So put that in there, and we said 15 seconds. Right. So that should be okay. Right, are we back? Are we back yet? No, can't gamble others' points, no. I don't think you'd want to do that. Only the people can gamble their own. Right. So we've got the panel up. Let's fire the bot up. So now we've got a cooldown on it, so we can't blast it. Right, who's going to go? Right, your number's gone down. There we go. Oh dear. Oh dear. We need somebody to try it without any points. So we need somebody to say back exclamation mark fruit and put a number in. Because we need to test that it won't do it for the people without points. There we go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Pingling. And Prowl, thank you. Well, that's showing that that's now working. Now, I should be able to do this. I should be able to do this. Ho 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 ho. I got 2,000 points on shout out, but that's for the people. That's for streamers, isn't it? That's for streamers. What about the normal people? That's where the Streamlabs point system comes in, but we're not writing the. Can we have a one-off? A one-off. We could code that in. We could code that in. But what would be better is that reward the people who chat. That would be better. The better bet, Gary, is to reward the people who chat. So, say if they do a chat line, that we give them 1 point. Yeah. I mean, that could be done. That can be done. Well, let's try it out. Let's try it out. So we need to get into the. So we need to get into the crux of the bot where it monitors the messages. Yeah. So we need to be in here. Here. This is where we need to be in. So a banned person can't do it, right? So a banned person should not be able to do it. But what we can do is once we've checked that they're not banned, is we should be able to add 1 point to them. So self.points.add points, and it's the username. So message.user. And let's make this a soft setting. So go back into config and I'll put it there. So chat points per chat line. Right, so let's do that in the example as well. So points per chat line. So first things first, we need to filter out. We need to filter out bots that we things that we don't want. So right, so you could add conversions of twit points to hours. I suppose I've never looked at doing that. Can we do that on Streamlabs? No, yeah. I've just thought. You can do it in channel points, can't you? You can do it in channel points. So we could convert channel points into OSK points. SP, the bot's not on, mate. The bot's not on, so the intro won't work yet. So we could do channel points, yeah? We could do channel points. Hang on, let me see if I can add a channel point button. Where is that? Where is channel points? You only have 152,000 channel points. Yeah. Viewer rewards, channel points. Here we go. Here we go. Aha! 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 Right. So, create a custom reward. Here we go. So, now what do we do? How do we get this to do it? Should we put an upper limit? Yeah, let's put an upper limit. Yeah. Right, so I've put a... Right, so, what do we do? How do we get it to do it? How can I automatically get it to do it? Oh. Oh, I can't require viewer to enter text. No. Skip reward request. Oh, you can't tell it to. There's no way of getting it to do. Oh, that's just annoying. Right, that didn't work. Oh, I thought the channel points could do it, but you can't. You can't get it to do add points. It won't let you do it. Ah dear. Yeah, channel points is Twitch. The Shimmer Shillings was Streamlabs, I think. But it looks like channel points. You can't get it to say run a command. Well, it doesn't seem to give the impression of that. Doesn't seem to give the impression of that. Viewers see that. Notification. Detail. If enabled, a required text field will appear for the viewer. No, I don't want to do that. Add blurb to what the viewer is seeing. Now, is there a redemption? Okay. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. No. Can't see anything. Chat alerts, dual. No. Timers, no. Queues, no. Loyalty. No. Store. No. No. Well, that's annoying. I don't want to have to go into the APIs. I don't really want to have to go into the APIs. Right, let's turn that off, seeing as it won't do it. Right, channel points won't do it. So we're gonna have to do it in here. We'll just have to do it in here. Right, put that back in. Put that back in. Right, so we want to make sure Streamlabs, yeah. They can't get it. The bot can't get it. Who else? Who else? Yeah. We'll just do it for those two at the moment. We'll put that in the example config as well so people can see. And it would help if I could type correctly. Right, so in here, right. I got rid of it, didn't I? Let's put it back in. Ah, there it is. Right, so if let the bot, then the bot can play itself. No, if you want to do that, then that's fine, right? If you want to do that, then that's fine. Right, so if oh, I forgot what I called the name now. Right. So, if we're not banned, right? So if we're not banned, are we in this array? If we are, we're going to pass it. If they're not, this will error. Yeah, this will error. So we'll catch the error and then we'll add the points to the people that are not in there. Right. So let's see if that does it. So anybody that's not on, so proud, look, we've got 2 zeros already, look. Right, so let's see if it starts adding points to people when they start typing messages, yeah? Right, off we go. Right. Hey, there's one for Pingling Sing. So there's 1 point. SP has got 1 point. There we go. So now you will get a point per chat message. to use on this bot. CJ Steele, welcome. Welcome. GaryMeg got a point for just saying fruit. So what happens if you just spam? Well, that's up to the Twitcher, yeah, because you can turn, there's many anti-spam things, yeah. And by the way, hello. So we've got now, so you get rewarded for chatting, yeah? You get rewarded for chatting. Twitch does limit, yeah, some spamming. So, but the beauty of this now is that you will get points. Yes, I'm based in the UK. So now you'll get points for every chat message. Just one, but then that point can be used on that LED. Yeah, to do the fruit. Define you. So, Pingling Singh, you only got 4 points, so you can't do fruit 10. There we go. Oh, look at that, you won 10 points already. Oh, no, you didn't. Did you not? Oh, I thought you did. CJ Steele, you've only got 10 points, so you can't do 100. Oh, what's going on? He gets 1 point. Yay! There you go. So we've spent all day. We've spent all day doing this. You got to put a space. You got to put a space between the number. Yeah. I'm enabling the next generation of steps. Yeah. Gamble all will be the next. Oh. I mean, we could put it in. We could put it in. We could put it in. Let's put it in. Right, let me turn the bot off. Let's put it in. So you can have the gamble or the fruit all aspect, yeah? Because we know how many points you've got. But oh no, I don't think we could do that. Because there's only 4. Have you noticed on the panel there's only 4 digits? So the maximum you could do would be 99999. So we're gonna have to put a test on it anyway. Yeah. So we're gonna have to put a test on it anyway. So we'll put the test on it. Yeah. So if bet is greater than 9999, then we'll send a message saying. There we go. Really, you're trying to blow me up. And then else we'll do the rest to there. Right, so let's fire the bot back up again. And the bot. Right, so for those people that've got more than 10,000 points, see if you can try and do more than 10,000. Hey, you got 3. So there we go. There we go. So we've got an upper limit now. But is 10,000, Gary, is 10,000 too much? Is 10,000 too much? Should we not, you know, because of the limitation of the display? What's the number you think is the maximum we should allow people to bet on? You wrote the code. When Shallon's gambling was allowing over 50 million. Alright, we'll stick with 9999 then. Alright. But as you can see, as people are talking, they're getting more points. Yeah? So I've got to put this now into my bot, haven't I? Got to do this on my bot. Right. So let's find my bot back up. Come on. Come on. Did that not start up? Oh, there we go. It started up. Right, I'll turn the chat bot off. So we're back to the normal filtering. And of course it won't put me up. Why is it not putting me up? Oh. It's taking its time. Yeah, but the problem is my matrix is screwed up. Look. Well, would you believe it?
Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't.
I don't believe it, look. Look, it's not doing the banding. Go figure. So that is being powered by an ESP32. Yeah? Maybe it was too hot. So that's been powered by an ESP32, as what you see in here is being powered by a Raspberry Pi Pico. Yeah? So it just shows you that we're using the same technology but for using two different things. So now the bots are not clashing because we're not using the same commands now. But is that going to... because it's been on. It's like GTA all over again. There's something not right. It's not running through anything. Is it doing the messages? No, it's not doing the messages. This, I think I've busted it. I was messing around with it. I mean, I could fix it now, but I don't know if you guys... Anyway, so back to the original thing. So this afternoon, we made that LED panel have its own web server so we could talk to it. Yeah. Got no else to do. Well, I mean, that is now done. Yeah, that is now done. So, and we've got the bot talking to it. That's it in a nutshell. And we've now got this. We've now got it where it's adding. It's when people are chatting. It's adding to their point score, so they can then use that to do it. Will it do it for me? Oh, gimme! Come on, come on! Daddy's waiting. Daddy's waiting. Oh! Rats, 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 rats. And then he edits it for my chat window's not updating, is it? It's not updating. That is because wow, it's taken ages for it to come through. I wonder if there's too many connections. I wonder if there's too many connections. Because that is logged on with PyBot. This is logged on with PyBot. That's logged on with PyBot. Maybe it's getting a little bit confused. Maybe. Could you pass the messages from one to the other? Yeah, we can do. We can do, because the PyBot's using WebSocket, so it could have as many connections as it likes to it. But I think we got too many connections to Twitch because it's having a few issues. Right, let me put this away. So this is episode 13. Integration with the LED matrix. Right, let's stick all this stuff in. Added slots and clock commands. Right, that's that. Right. We didn't modify this, so we can shut that down. Right. I'm going to try and figure out what's wrong with that. So just give me a sec. I'm going to turn that camera off. Let me turn that camera off. There we go. Is it worth putting the Pico slots code in a folder in the bot repo? Only if you want to, mate. Or we could put a URL to the Git repo, yeah? So it allows people to get to it. Right, that is now talking to me. Yeah, because I've just connected it up. So let me just turn that off because it's no longer required. There we go. And let me load Let me load that up, find out what's going on with it. No, mate, I wasn't going anywhere. Honest. Honest. You thought I was going downstairs, didn't you? Right, so we're on COM11. See, it's not sending anything out. I think I've busted this. I think I've busted it well and truly. Hang on.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much.
Oh, Gary.
You guys really spoil me.
Thank you. All right, all right. When he's back, he can have a treat. But you're welcome, mate. You're welcome. I'll put the bot in the Patreon repo, yeah? Hang on. Why? What? Why is my... Why is... Have I not... Hang on. Hang on. It may be running the wrong program. Oh, no, it is. It's doing the messaging, isn't it? It's doing the messaging. Then you'll need another afternoon setting it up again. Well, I'm definitely going to put the the slots in there. But I'd already tried. I was trying to do slots myself, but with the 3 barrels. Look, Uncle Gary's giving you some more, right? Here you go. Knock yourself out, mate. There you go. That's the last one. Right, and try and eat it. Don't gum it to death. But Dad, I've got no teeth. He's gumming it to death. Right. So that should now go up there. There we go. It's fired up now. So let's do that. And we'll find out what's going on. So what is going on, John? What is going on? What did I do to break it? It's got to be do this scrolling. It's got to be to do with that. That writing looks a bit slow. Dude, come on. Right, where's my test code that I wrote? Where's the code for doing that? there. No, that looks right. So it's doing 2, but it's not doing... Oh, I think I've remembered. Oh, John, you muppet.
John, you muppet.
You've got them on speed dial. Oh. You've got them in a notepad so you can copy and paste really quick. Yeah, I turned off the animation because I was trying to figure out why there was banding. There's no more, mate. Come on. There's no more. You've had enough. No. 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 There's no more. There's no more. Right. I don't know whether to speed up the text scrolling, you know, that. I don't know whether to speed that up. Because it does take a while. In fact, I'll do that here. No, it's that way, isn't it? Right, let's send that. That'll speed up the text. No, mate. No. No. Only your friends can give you treats now. You've had enough from me. You've had enough from me. Only your friends. He's walking off. He's walking away. Come on. What's the matter? Is it because the camera's not pointing at you? Well, it's not my fault. Right. Here we go. Hopefully. Yay! Look, we got Nico back. I could add the game now. I suppose I could. Into my bot. Aston, no. In your bed. In your bed. There's nothing else. Nah, the camera's not pointing at him. That's better. That's better, isn't it? That's a better scroll.
Oh my god, more bits?
Oh,
thank you very much.
SP.
You guys really spoil me.
SP, you spoil him. You do, you spoil him. He's dancing around here now. There you go. In your bed. In your bed. Not that, that's the cable. That's the cable. There. Oi. He's trying to walk off. He's trying to bite the cable. He's trying to bite the cable. See, it's not doing the banding now. It's not doing the banding now. As earlier on we had that banding going on. Oh, that's annoying. That is annoying. It's gone back to the start. Right, we can try and figure out what's going on there. Oh, it's... Oh, right, okay. It does set it to start again. Oh, that's the cheer. It's not the message. What's the message say then? Oh, it changed. Oh, right, okay. Right, but I did put the Pong in. I did put the Pong, here it is, here. But I boosted the AI. I boosted the AI a bit. Hang on. So, where are we? There. So if I send that, that's going to be always on Pong. So I've just fixed it to be on Pong. Hey, do you like my new chat window, by the way, guys? Now it's filtering out the Streamlabs and everything. Yeah, it's nearly done. Took me ages to try and get that to work. Less clutter without the SL message. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I was doing it for. I've also got rid of the bot messages as well, so it doesn't do the bot messages. I was thinking of making it filter out all the commands as well. So that message, we broke it, would not show. You need an update to custom chat in generic bot like Stuart's. Do I? What, you mean like that one? There we are, it's doing Pong look. Now it's doing Pong look. Oh, the Commodore 64 text. Yeah, we could do the same thing. I can do the same thing. Because all it is I did have it doing the Commodore 64 text, but it looked ever so strange. it looked ever so strange. Because all it is just a style. All it is just a style. So we could have it doing the C64, but I don't... Yeah, it's just a font. But when I did it looked strange. It didn't look right, yeah? It didn't look right. And that's why I didn't do it. Right, so that's working. Right, okay. So now I know why. I don't know why it wasn't doing the why it was doing the banding earlier. That's annoying that it was doing the banding. Right, let's put it back. So as you can see, there's an awful lot of stuff that goes on in this, and I'm about to put the game in as well. I'm about to put the game in. No. Last one. There you go. Last one. Last one. Right, I'll wait for that to upload. So it's fixed it. That left-hand paddle is as bad as me. It can't play for toffee. It's there, mate. Look, use your nose. Look behind you. Right, has that done it? So it should have reset it. There we go. There we go. Right then, guys. I hope that's been oh, he's found it now. He's found it. No, it's not. Right then. Right, Gary, I hope that's helped. Yeah, because this was primarily for you and everybody else who is learning. But that's how you can integrate the bot into other things. As long as there's a web controller on it, you can interface with it. All right. Right. So I've been streaming for what, 7 hours today. I'm going to watch some telly. Now, I've got the electricians in next week. Don't know if they're coming tomorrow or when to install the battery. So if they do come tomorrow, then I might not stream because the place is going to be a mess. But I'm having the battery installed. So I will be coming to you when it costs me nothing, because the solar will be... So I'm having a solar battery installed. Yeah, I'll be updating the repo as soon as I finish the stream, alright? Alright then, guys. Well, thank you very much for being with me today. And I will possibly see you tomorrow evening. If not, it'll be Wednesday. Alright then. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.